Hello friends. In this video, we are looking at a term you hear every time someone talks about AI models, the context window. Think of the context window as the active, short-term memory of the AI. When you open a new chat, the model knows nothing about you. As you type, it reads your prompt, and it holds it in memory to generate a response. But there is a hard physical limit to how much data it can hold in its head at one time. That active memory boundary is the context window. Computers do not process English words directly. They process numbers. So before the AI sees your text, it gets chopped up into discrete pieces called tokens. A token might be a whole word, or just a single syllable. A context window is always measured in these tokens. If a model has a window of 8,000 tokens, it can remember roughly 6,000 words of your current conversation. The crucial thing to remember is that the prompt you send, plus the answer the AI gives back, both share this exact same limited space. So what happens when you keep chatting, and the window gets completely full? The system does not just crash. Instead, it acts like a sliding window over a continuous data stream. As new tokens come in from your latest message, the oldest tokens at the very beginning of the chat are pushed out and destroyed. This is why in AI might suddenly forget an instruction you gave it 30 minutes ago. It did not ignore you. The instruction literally dropped out of the context window to make room for your newest question. If we map this to standard computer architecture, the context window is exactly like RAM. It is fast, it is temporary, and it holds only what the processor is actively working on right now. The model's training data, the billions of web pages it analyzed before it was released, is like the hard drive. It is permanent storage. But the AI cannot write your current conversation to that hard drive. It can only hold your chat in RAM. And making that RAM larger requires an exponential increase in processing power. To wrap it up, the context window is the active memory buffer for an AI conversation, and it is strictly measured in tokens. Keep your prompts and documents within this limit, and the model stays sharp and accurate. If you go over the limit, it operates blindly on the oldest parts of your chat. Pretty simple, right? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.